guys, I hope everyone's having a wonderful day so far. So in today's video, I have a whole bunch of anime inspired hijab tutorials and styles for you guys. Literally so many. I think I did like maybe 6 or 8 or maybe more, I'm not sure. I will put the exact number here and also in the title. But yeah, I basically did one hijab style that can turn into a bunch of different hijab styles just with a few clips and a few hairbands and a few hair bubbles. So if you'd like to see how I did this hijab style or any of these other hijab styles, then keep on watching. So for these hijab tutorials, you'll need a long rectangle hijab. The kind that I'm using is like a Georgette chiffon mix. It's very light, very easy to like mold and also like straighten into place if you want any sharp points. And on top of that, it's got a little bit of grip, so it's not like slipping and sliding around your head when you're trying to style it. You'll also need an underscarf to match. My one is unfortunately brown. I can't find my nude one, but the closer match you can find, the better it will be. Even though no one will see your underscarf, on the off chance you do see it, or if it does peek through your hijab, you're covered. And of course, you use some straight hijab pins. You can use the kind with like the little ball on the end, or you can use actual sewing pins, which are like my personal favorite because they are so small. They're literally undetectable when you do your hijab styling. It just looks amazing, but it does make it difficult to actually take your hijab off at the end of the day. And besides from that, you just need a variety of accessories based on your character. So I have a lovely hairband, I also have a tiara, just some random bow clips, and I also have some hair bubbles in case you need to do a little bit of tying. Your accessories will depend on which character you're doing and how you want to style it, so just keep those things in mind. But without further ado, let's actually jump into this hijab tutorial. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is start off with one end of the hijab, so I'm just going to get rid of all of this. We're starting off with this end right here, and I'm literally just going to fold it in half. So this is like the whole hijab. It is way too big to be styling with, so I'm just gonna boop, fold it in half like so. And now with the ends down here, these bits, I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna place it on my head like so. Oh god, I'm getting stuck. And this part is basically going to form your fringe, so depending on how high or low you want your fringe, this is where you want to put it. I personally like having mine around here, just so it's like just above my eyebrows, like that. And once you're happy with the positioning, you're just going to put a pin right here. You don't want to put it too far back because we will be using this fabric. You're going to put it like about here. Once we pin that in place, we want to make sure the fringe part is straight right here. Obviously, if your character has like a curved fringe, keeping it like this and pinning it in place is perfect, but I want to do like a nice straight fringe. So I'm just going to grab my hijab. So I'm just going to grab my hijab, line it up to where I want it to be, and I'm literally just going to put a pin right here. So now we have something like this, and we're going to do the exact same thing to the other side of the hijab. So we've got the end of the hijab, and we're just going to fold it in half like so. And we're going to do the exact same thing where we bring it on top of our heads like so. And we create another fake fringe. Once you got them even, you're just going to pin it down in place in the same spot. If you do want to, you can just take off the pin from before and use that same pin on both sides, but I'm just gonna use a separate pin. So we are looking something like this, and now I'm gonna grab this side right here and I'm gonna bring it round so we can have another straight fringe. Okay, now that's done, we're going to be working on the extra side bangs that sit around here. So for this part, literally, you know this part that we pinned right here? We're just going to grab it and we're going to bring it down like so. And this is where you decide how long you want this to be. So obviously you can have it this long. I think for me, I'm going to have it maybe like here. Yeah, I think there. So I'm literally just going to pop a pin at the top right here. And you're going to do the exact same thing with the other side, making sure they are both nice and even. Okay, now that we've done that, we have some out of control bangs that are literally right in front of our face, which obviously makes it very much difficult to see. I kind of look like Magneto right now. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to grab one of the fringes, and you're basically going to take this and place it where you want it. So if you want it really close, you can have it here. If you want it further back here or further back, just place it where you think looks best or where your character has it. For me, I think I want this placement, so I've just got it here and I'm just going to pin that in place so it does not move. And we're going to do the exact same thing to the other side. This is what you should be looking like right now. You have your two side fringes and you've got your front bangs right here, and we have all this exposed area that we're going to cover up right now. And to do that, you're literally going to grab the two sides like so, and grab the very back piece. So that's this piece right here, and you're gonna place it on your head like so. You're gonna place it in a way where you cover these top pins right here. Even though mine are like barely visible, you still want to cover it just in case they come peeking through. Now if you want, you can just pin it like this, but I personally like getting the edge and just folding it ever so slightly and pinning it down. I feel like it just looks a little bit neater, and also just gives you a little bit more volume as well. I'm just gonna pin that down, and once you pin that down, you have something that looks like this, and you can pretty much take this hijab style into a bunch of different hijab styles, which I will of course show you right now. So obviously option 1 is something like this. If you don't want to keep it exactly like this, I'd recommend putting a pin on the side here and here. That way these will stay down. I think this would look really cute with a hairband like this, and maybe like just fluffing out the hijab a bit more at the back so you've got more volume. I feel like that looks really cute, and what looks even cuter is if you push it all back. I think that is very cute. Oh my god, I feel like a princess. This is actually very, very cute. I personally think this is one of my favorite hijab styles. Like, it's so cute. I want to wear it normally. Oh, it's pretty. It's so pretty. I'm in love. I'm in love. Oh, wait, do you see this? Wow. Oh, I'm in love. Wow, I did this earlier as like a little trial and I thought it was really cute, but ooh, I feel like an actual princess. This is wow. Wow, it's gonna take everything in my power not to make me do this hijab style every single day. Anyway, so this is one of the hijab styles. I think having it in the front is nice, but it's nicer at the back. Oh, but what you could do is, if you had 2 hair bubbles, which I do have, you could have 2 ponytails. Oh my god, oh, this is cute. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, I'm in love. I'm in love. Now, of course, using hair bubbles that match your hijab will be even better, but okay, I'm going insane. But is this not adorable? Is this not so cute? Wow, oh my god, I'm gonna take some more selfies. But yeah, you could do this. It's very, very cute, which by the way, if you want to like extend this part so this is much longer, I would either recommend using a really, really long big scarf, which will give you the length, but at the same time, will make it a little bit more difficult in terms of styling because you just have so much fabric. Or the other option is using one hijab like this and then getting separate hijabs in the same color and literally just attaching them here with the hairband and pinning them in place, so you have like extra length right here if that's what your character requires, if that's just what you want. Oh, I'm in love. Earlier when I was styling it, I didn't actually try this style. Oh my god, I'm loving it. I am loving it. You could also do buns. Let's do that. Let's do buns. Okay, how should I do that? Let's try twisting it. Oh my god. I'm in love. I'm in love. Oh my god. I am a genius. I am a genius. Whoa. That's cute. That is cute. Anyway, other styles that we can try before I get so distracted. Honestly, it's this hairband. This hairband literally just, give me life. Give in me life. Let's try a tiara, because I feel like that would look really, really cute. Oh god, now I look like a rugby ball, yeah. Right, let's put that there. Oh, regal. I'm regal. Oh, that's cute. I really wish I wore something else. This isn't giving me princess vibes, but this is giving me princess vibes. And if you wanted a little bit more volume, you could just pick up the scarf from the back like so and just put it on top like that. The possibilities are endless, and I yet again have to take pictures because amazing. Okay, so tiara, check, works fantastically. Oh yeah, other ideas I had was to literally just get it and tie it up like that. Wait, let me get my hairband. So if your character needs a ponytail, literally grab and tie. You don't want to tie it too tight because you want to have like some of it loose around here. Unless that's what you're looking for, then in that case, of course, make it tight. Now that we've tied it in place, I'm just going to grab where we tied it and lift it up like so, and get a straight hijab pin and pin it up. That way it won't be too weighed down. You still have like this nice little puff right here. Look at that. Very cute. Look at that. Can you see that? How cute. How very, very cute. Also, you could have like a side pony. So just get it right here. Obviously you can neaten this up as much as you would like. And then let's put on a bow. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. I like that. This is not gonna lie, giving me like jean vibes, you know, from Genshin Impact. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. But another thing you could actually try is making a bun. Let's make another bun. I'm just gonna twist it and let's see if I can, like that. Ooh, I think that's quite nice. Oh, I have these flower clips that look nice, but they're a bit shit because they literally don't open. But just imagine, it would look cute. It would look cute. Okay, now what if your character has a braid or like a twist? We're just gonna get your hijab like so, 2 parts, just in the middle. So we have these 2 bits and we're just gonna twist. Twist, twist, twist until we get to the end, and we can just tie it up. And then once we've done that, we can just hide this little band with a bow. Oh, cute, cute. I do like it. Personally, I think I'd like this braid a bit longer, so I'd probably just get another hijab in the exact same color and just twist it through the way I twisted this. So maybe pin it up here and twist it through. Wow, that's nice. And also if I did have a short one, I'd probably have this somewhere up here, so we have a bit more of this to play with. Like, ooh, yeah, like that. I'd pin it there. That's cute. That is cute. There was one more that I forgot to show you guys, and it was just having it out and having 2 clips and putting one on either side. This is also one of my favorites. I'm in love. This one, ooh, this one's adorable. Imagine this with the pigtails. So cute, so cute. But yeah guys, those are all the hijab tutorials I have for you guys today. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button if you liked this video and would like to see more hijab tutorials, because honestly, just give me an hour and I can come up with more. So yeah, let me know if you'd like more like this, or if there's any particular characters that you'd like me to do like a hijab style for. Let me know. I have planned to do some more cosplay videos, so if there's any cosplays on my Instagram that you'd like me to do a video for, let me know. Or if there's any characters that you would like me to cosplay, let me know and I will try my best to do that. If you guys like to see more from me, be sure to follow my Instagram and Twitter at SaimaSmilesLike, or my TikTok at SaimaChow_. But yeah guys, that is this whole video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it's helped you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!